know. It is like February 26th, 2015, and this is the Great Snowstorm, Hampton Roads Great Snowstorm of the year so far. This is the most snow. This probably will be the most snow we'll get all year. I don't know, I'd guess it's about anywhere from 6 to 7 inches. And you know, if you're just sitting there bored, scrolling through Facebook or YouTube or whatever, figured I'd show you around the yard, give you an idea of some of the snow accumulation here. That's our boy Mackie. Mackie is our Siberian Husky, and he loves the snow. He'll stay out here all day, won't even want to come inside. He's having a blast. So maybe he'll join us on this tour of the yard. We raise chickens, and I haven't even dug a path over to the chicken coop yet, but they're over there. Chickens are over there. They are Rhode Island Red, so they're very hardy. They do extremely well in cold weather. Plus they have their coop over there, which is sealed up. They have one tiny little entrance in the bottom, so when they go in there, they're protected against the winds. This is the backyard though, and there's just snow on everything. Molly, come see. Look, I want to show you our other dog. Molly! Hey! Hey! Molly! Get out of the garage there. What are you doing? Molly is not a snow dog. She loves to explore though, and come on, stop following me. All right. And get her mouth on anything that's edible. It's still snowing. It's like 7:30 in the morning, and I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but there's still gusts and flurries. Molly wants to go in, but the second I let her in, she starts whining to come right back out. So I'm not really going to play that game with her. She can stay out here while I'm out here. Wow. Okay, so we're here in Hampton, and let's see if I can give you a shot of the. Yeah, you know, it's treacherous. Definitely wouldn't want to be out driving in weather like this if you didn't have to. I'm off of work today because of this weather. We got our bunnies. We raise rabbits, and they are doing just fine. They're protected under this. They're very well insulated with their fur, and they love weather like this. The heat is really a bear on them, though. You really have to be mindful and check on them frequently in the heat. But the cold weather, oh, they do just fine. People raise outdoor rabbits in Maine, and which it gets much colder and much more snow than this, and they do just fine. So they're doing great over here. So I'll back up so you can see the whole. And the snow is sticking today. It hasn't been sticking in a while. It's sticking today, so I can work on a snowman, which if we get a snowman going, we'll film that later too. I might just build the base of it and have Jen come out and decorate it later. That's what she likes to do. And maybe we'll have a little snowball fight or something fun. What are you doing there, Mac? Oh boy, he loves chasing his ball around. He'll get it buried deep down in the snow, and then he'll go hunting for it. He's pretty much the most entertaining thing out here in this snow. But I'll take you I'll take you out front so you can kind of see the house and our vehicles. I shoveled the sidewalk, but as you can see, it's already starting to accumulate some more. Let's see. I have a ladder set up. And what I was going to do, I was going to climb up on the ladder and go up on our roof and give you sort of an aerial view of our neighborhood, but it's so slippery up there, I just decided that was a bad idea. So haven't even walked through it yet. As you can see, all unbroken snow. Haven't even been down there yet. We'll take a look. Oh, Molly's calling me. Hang on. Molly. What's up, Molly? Molly. Come on. Molly, you want to go inside? Come on. Come on, Molly. Molly, hey. Come on, let's go. Come on, Molly. Come on, Molly. There's a snow dog. Molly, you really want to go in, huh? Right, if I let you in, don't start whimpering that you want to come right back out. She will. Alright. So anyway, still gusts and flurries of snow, but we'll take a look at this is my, whoa. Huh, okay. This is my Jeep Liberty. I haven't even gone out here and cleaned it off yet. It's a mess. But this is, let's see if I can show you. This is sticking snow. So it holds together real well. Great for snowball fights, great for snowmen. So we're going to have a lot of fun with that later today. That's the front of the vehicle, which has taken most of the winds and the snow from that angle. And there's mailbox and Jen's truck, which is you know, not too bad. We'll go out there with the scraper. We'll be no problem. We'll probably build a snowman right out here in the front yard somewhere so we can see it from our big window. Also, so passerbys can see it, because you know you want to take pride in your snowman art ability. Wow, look at this. Now this is crazy. This is the road. Wow, I would not even attempt to. I was thinking about going to get groceries later, but snow plow never seems to make it down our street. And as you can see, there's one set of deep tracks, and I would not. That is so easy to get stuck in right there. I am not going anywhere today. Nowhere. Trash man hasn't been here in over 2 weeks because of the snow, and because the snowplow doesn't go down our street. Anyway, this is the. I can't believe how deep it is out here on the street. It's 6 inches. It's 6-7 inches out here on the street, man. That is crazy. That is cray-cray. Let's see if I can get a kind of an artsy-fartsy angle shot of the house. That's pretty much it, though. That's our house in the great winter snowstorm of 2015. Something in it. Let's kind of scan the neighborhood, I guess. Pretty much snow as far as the eye can see. I think the temperature next Wednesday is going to be like 60 degrees. That might change, but we're going to be getting some rain on Monday, maybe Sunday, so it'll clean up some of it, but more than likely it's just going to make a big slushy, icy mess. But anyway, there's the house. Let's see, maybe I can really got to clean this driveway. It's, you know, it's the easiest to clean now while the snow's still fresh. Once you let it set and it gets all frozen and funky, then it becomes near impossible to shovel. So I'm gonna get started on that right away.